Hi, I'm Mukundan, your business transformation coach. Today we have to discuss the main inner excellence part, that is clarity. So yesterday we have discussed about that six steps for the unlock inner excellence. So in the first one is clarity. Seek clarity. So you should clarify yourself, who you are, what you want. That is already says that way. That is way means who are you? That is the main question compulsorily rising with us. We have to raise this question again and again. Then we are going to clarify ourselves who I am. So whenever you ask the question, who are you? You have to find the answer for that question. At the time, you know who I am. So that's the main thing for our excellence as well as success. Success in life or business, without knowing ourselves, it's not possible. So first, you should know yourself. Seek that clarity on you. Before that, you find the solutions from outside. You grab the opportunities from the outside or business or life. You should get your excellence from you, within you. So you find yourself and you use your inner excellence for the extraordinary success in life as well as business. So how to find the inner excellence? You need that clarity on your life, clarity on your mind, who you want to be, what you are going to do, who you want to be, get the answers for that. How to interact with others, what way of communication you have to use, and a lot of things you have to find. And then what is the meaning of your life? What the purpose of your life? Definitely you have to answer this question. What is the meaning of your life? What is the purpose of your life? You know that? Without knowing the answer for this question, definitely you are unable to fight your odds. Without knowing yourself, how you are going to fight external problems or some other things, whatever it is encountered you. So please ask the questions again and again. The usually high performers consistently seeking the clarity. The clarity is very must. The clarity create the space on your mind to process everything crosses in your view. Something you actually, this is our mind is like a mobile memory. Whenever we see the picture or scenes or whatever it is, it will be registered in our mind, visual, auditory or kinesthetic. In any manner, it will be registered in our mind and the inner soul. So subconscious mind. So you create the space for that registration. Unnecessary things will be dumped in your mind. That will be create problem to move forward. So you have to clear and get the clarity on that. So that's the main thing. And then you have to write your passion statements. For the seeking clarity, you have to write your passion statements. Usually the mission and then passion statements write by the companies. The passion statement, it's hardly three words. So like that, my passion statement is lifelong learning. So like that, what your passion statement, like a tagline. You are a brand, you need a tagline. So it's clearly state about you. So that's the important one, the passion statement. In all the above, you need one very, very important thing for the clarity and then identify yourself. That is the core value. It's very important thing in the inner excellence. The clarity comes through the core values. The corporates display their core values, what we are going to do, what are the values we have. Like that, every human, every individual have the core values. The core values not learned from outside. It's your habits, it's your trait, it's within you. So don't try to learn or don't try to just put in your mind or pressurize that values to you within you. That's not possible. The values already built in you. You have to find it. What are the values you have already? What the type of values you have? You should find that. How to find the core values? I will give you 15 more core value through WhatsApp. So you go through the all 15 to 20 core values, read out and tick out every what resemble to your values. First you have to select at least 10 values. Then again read it again. So you have to choose minimum 5 core values. Every human having at least 5 core values. That's the base of your life or business. It's a basement bricks. So you have to find your core value. So today's exercise to you, I will give you the core values list through WhatsApp. Then you have to find your values on that and write it up your notepad. Tomorrow, before tomorrow class, in the open chat time, you have to send your core values to the group and go through that and then discuss with. In the 5th day, we are going to discuss all these things. You have any queries or something, you directly direct chat with my WhatsApp number, or otherwise you put it in the group. When the chat timing, every day evening 6 to 7 p.m. that chat timing. So the group will be open for the chat. So that's the today's session. Very important, that is find the core value. Here how to find the core value, you should concentrate on one thing. If you are going to write, just write, don't divest or don't distractions. So that's the one of the value. Your concentration also one of the value. Like that, various type of values are there. Now I'm going to here share my screen. Clarity. That's a core value. So core value already we have seen. That's the main exercise today. Then the core value to find yourself, that is self. You have to eliminate your distractions. Always challenge your never. You don't accept your never. So the sum of the core values here, I am just read out few, but I will give you the complete list. That is accountability, creativity, and then adventure, compassion, challenges, like that. These are all the sum of the core values. Like that, what you have, you have to find it. From this, I will give you the 15 to 20 core values list. You have to find your value from that. That is the exercise you should do, compulsorily do it. Then tomorrow we will discuss day 3. We are going to discuss energy. That is two way of energy is that. One minute. Day 3 we are going to, that is mental stamina. We are going to discuss about mental stamina tomorrow, and then how to get the physical energy, and how to control, and how to produce our positive emotions. So these are all coverage on day 3. I hope so you are all ready to find your values. Then we will meet tomorrow. You are now signing out by Mukundan, your business transformation coach. Thank you all.